receive an email from me asking you to either sign any motions after review, sign your preliminary financial disclosure statement, any document that I need you to bring by the office, or likewise, there is a link for that. So you'll receive a document drop-off link in your email with the motion or whatever I'm requesting you to bring by or get handled for your case. And it looks like this. You can easily schedule your time to your time slot. It's a 15-minute time slot. Just lets me know when you'll be by. And if I'm in the office or not, I'll let you know that you'll either be meeting with me or one of my team members to sign your document. If Velez Law is not open or we are all out for the day, you can leave your documents with the receptionist in the front, and she'll put those documents in my box. However, this is what the document drop-off /signing calendar schedule looks like. So you can come to this link, select your day, and a pretty open for these slots because they are only 15 minutes. So you should be able to schedule a time that's convenient for you with a lot of flexibility.